Okay, I'm going to show you how you're going to distribute your surveys in Qualtrics. And please make the changes that I gave you at the end of the midterm and to the team with Mel and Janae, TJ, and Isaiah. I sent you an email this evening with feedback. Okay, so after you log into My EOL, you're going to click on the button that says Qualtrics. And then you'll probably get this screen and just go ahead and log in. Everyone should have created an account by now. If you haven't, then create it using your same NCCU stuff. Okay, now the very first thing I need you to do is on your survey, again, in case you haven't done this, go right over here to the right side of your survey, click on the three dots, choose Collaborate, and add all of your teammates. And then you also need to make sure that the edit, view reports, all of these are checked. Because, for example, I can't add people to collaborate on the other ones because you guys haven't given me the permission. So you want to do that for all your teammates. Okay, the second thing you want to do is then click on the name of your survey. And it says I'm currently making edits. It won't go live, whatever. Make all the edits you need to do. And then we're going to don't go to publish. What we're going to do is go to distribution over here, this top left. And you're going to just click on anonymous link. And if everyone has the correct permissions, everyone should be able to do this. So you're just going to, you're going to, oops, not click on it. You're actually going to copy it, right? Copy. And then go to your email or go to your social media. I use Facebook, use Instagram or whatever. You're going to, sorry about my creepy former neighbors down there in that pit photo. You're going to type here basically who you want to answer your survey. So you're going to say, if you are a NCCU Mass Comm major, please take 2 minutes to answer my survey. It is for a class project and I need at least 25 answers, 25 responses. That's better. And then you're gonna, you're gonna paste it in there, and the link will be right there for everybody. So obviously, if yours is for any young adult, you can just send it out to people generally and just say, if you are over 18, please take 2 minutes to answer my survey. You can tell them what it's about. You could say it's about sitcom televisions and family values. In fact, I should do that, a survey about internships. And then send it out widely, and we'll start checking tomorrow and see if you are getting some responses. Also, if you haven't included me, please include me. So you're going to just go to Collaborate and type in my username, lpaulin at nccu.edu. And please, add me and then give me all these permissions too so that I can check on your progress. All right, thanks so much. And I will also tomorrow give you some updates on the rest of our schedule for the semester and things that we're going to be modifying a little bit. Talk to you soon.